Welcome back to our channel. Release on Netflix. Let's start the video now. Derry Girls is an Irish farce children technique offered on Channel 4. Moreover, the display is prating Netflix. The display is moved with the aid of using the real encounters of Lisa McGee, the screenwriter of the display. The tale rotates a 16-year vintage Erin and a family, which includes her companions. The approach shot in Northern Ireland is surveyed 8.4 out of 10 with the aid of using IMDb. Lisa McGee is the maker of the adolescent sitcom. The machine made with the aid of using Michael Lennox has prolonged gigantic viewership for its seasons. Likewise, in QuickTime, lovers are predicting its fourth season. Starting now and into the foreseeable future, right here are completely advancing revives approximately Derry Girls Season 4. In the Season 1 finale, lovers located that Orla had an ardor for step aerobics and turned into thinking about creating a profession out of it. The episode even closed with the Derry girls all getting up on degree and dancing together along with her as she completed with inside the faculty expertise display. However, with the aid of using Season 2, there has been an implication that Orla was not doing this anymore. However, there has been no purpose given. Did she lose interest? Did she go through the harm that stopped her from doing it anymore? Even if the writers installed a small reference for Collection 3, we might want to understand what happened. Also subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for more Netflix movies, web series, reviews, news and updates. Derry Girls Season 2 landed on July 9th of 2020 in its entirety on Netflix. However, the episodes has been taken down from Netflix UK and Ireland on July 14th of 2020. The cast participants have discovered that it's far important to the display's integrity that they shoot in Ireland, which appears tough every time earlier than the later half of 2021, so we can expect the Season 3 to release someday in of 2022. Much approximately the solid of the display is not recognized at this point, and considering we determine the essential entertainers of the primary second season will strain back their positions. Cyrus Monica Jackson will understand the title bit of Erin Quinn, Nicola Coughlan could be depicted as Claire Devlin, Louisa Harland as Orla McCool, and Jamie Lee O'Donnell as Michelle. The motivation writing James and Mary could be performed by way of means of Dylan Levin and Tara Lyne O'Neill transparently. Derry Girls is a method round 5'8" college Younger humans, Michelle, James, Claire, Erin and Orla, how those 5 expensive friends beat the problems initially known as Derry's What the Problem Here. In the primary season of Derry Girls, we noticed Erin having combined outcomes of her college paper. Further, Erin's cousin Orla brought pretty ways display. The next season became extra approximately the presence of Bill Clinton in Derry. Starting out with inside the third season, we are awaiting that the display will maintain from President's appearance. Further, enthusiasts sense that they will likewise found out the event to peer a scene thinking about Black Friday. Thank you for watching the video till end. For more Netflix movies, web series, reviews, news and update, please visit our website www.releaseonnetflix.com, and if you like our video then hit the like button and share it with your friends. Also, to stay updated, please subscribe to our channel Release on Netflix.